What's going on, everyone? So first I have a problem, and then I have a possible solution that I would love if Infusionsoft would implement for us. And then third, I have a temporary workaround if you are experiencing the problem. So here we go. So you got the new landing page builder, right? And it is getting better and better. I have started using it more regularly, and I recommend you give it a chance if you haven't played with it. But here's the problem. If I want to link to this landing page, it just takes way too long to get the URL. So you wait for this page to load, and then you click through next step. Hang on, gets better. And then you click through, or you just jump right to the launch, which is the last tab. And then you copy that URL, right? And then you can leave. And every time you open this, even if you don't make changes, it sets it back to draft mode. And even using the revert changes doesn't undo that. You have to then republish your campaign if you are a little OCD like me and you want that to work. So here's what I would love if Infusionsoft would do this for us. Give us the ability from this to copy link, right? Just give us a copy URL or something for this artifact. And that would be great for, landing pages and for web forms as well. But the truth is, it's less of a concern because it's easier to click to the tab with the link. So that's my request of Infusionsoft. But if this has been bugging you, here's what I recommend doing, right? So I have been adding a note directly above that, and I'll pop in the URL right there just so I have it on the campaign canvas. And then I actually have an article here that allows you to format your notes a little more elegantly. And so I've been doing that, and you can see I've got the link right here for that landing page, and then I've got the link right here for this landing page, and it just saves me the trouble of having to jump into that page and click to the launch tab in order to grab that URL. Right from that screen, it loads it right up. So that's my workaround solution. Hopefully that saves you a little bit of time if you are frustrated with opening these landing pages, setting them back to draft, and then trying to get the URL that way. This is just a shorter way of handling it. But long term, I'd love to see an option to grab the URL right from this screen here. Later, guys.